Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I'd like to show you a brand new filter within your command contacts that allows you to find contacts that have either unsubscribed from your command marketing emails and or the email that they have on file as their primary email has been marked as undeliverable and none of your command emails are actually being delivered to that particular contact. So let me show you how you can filter and find those contacts. First, you'll go to your Command Contacts tab, and you may see the pop-up right here at the top of your command database letting you know of this new feature right here. There is a Learn More link if you'd like to click on that and find out more. You can also close that as soon as you're familiar with it. Also, make sure that you're looking at the right bank of contacts. If you are on a team and you want to work on your team contacts, you'll just want to click on your name in the top right and make sure your team is selected as the account that you're on. If you're looking to work with your personal contacts or you are a solo agent, you'll just want to make sure that right here underneath your name and photo, it says personal. So you'll know that you're on your personal account and working on your personal contacts. We have selected our personal account and we can see here that these are his personal contacts. And so now you'll want to open the filter drawer. You can do this by clicking on the word filters. This is the filter drawer, just minimizing some of these so you can see all of them here. We do have another tip video that goes into more filters. For today's video, let's scroll down to the new filter right here, primary email alert. When you click on that to expand it, it gives you three options. You can either choose to see the contacts in your database that do not have an alert, meaning the primary email on their contact profile is still good, still receiving your command marketing emails. The next option is undeliverable. If you would like to see the contacts that your emails are not being delivered to their primary email address on file, then this is the selection you'd like to make. Undeliverable means that their actual email platform may be rejecting your emails for a multitude of reasons. Usually it means they've marked your email as spam. The next option is unsubscribed, and this particular option means that you have sent them a marketing email through command, and this contact has chosen to actually unsubscribe from your marketing emails. Choose whichever option you would like. You can actually choose both or more than one at a time if you would like. We'll go ahead and choose apply for those filters just to show you what it will look like. Notice the undeliverable icon right here with the crosshatch circle. This is letting you know that these are the primary emails that have either triggered that alert. So they're either undeliverable or they've unsubscribed. And you can actually click on the contact's name to see this error right there, that alert as well. So that's letting you know that this particular primary email on this contact has come back as undeliverable, meaning the email is either not valid or the email has not been able to be delivered to that email address for some particular reason. If you have any questions about this at all, or any of your KW platforms, you can always reach out to us via email. That's support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.